All right. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? I'm here. Always Lun. Usually. Good. Cúi. I don't know how to say that one.
Thường xuyên cười.
Cười. Let's smile. Cười.
Bạn luôn sai khi bạn ghét nhưng bạn không. Bạn luôn sai khi bạn ghét nhưng bạn không bao giờ
Lần.
sai khi.
Oh, sometimes tôi he tôi nghĩ tôi là một con mèo. Okay, let's see if I'm right. Yeah. Nuôi đàn ông. Sometimes. Đôi khi. Oh, publish. I don't know publish. Swat ban. Mop sack. Oh, there's another one. I thought I finished. Okay, ban. Never. Home. I don't know. Home what? Bao. Yoi. No beer. When? I don't know when. He now. Oh, that. Dude, this sentence is fucked, bro. Lan? Where's Lan at? Lan is for time, not yo. Yoi? Got all but one. That was a tough lesson, bro. Okay. So I just finished some typed, or finished some parts of this type coordinate frames in Rust. But now we need to apply it to our data types, I guess you could say, or like where the data is getting stored for our things like velocity or position, things of that nature. So we're trying to add two methods, I think, now. The re-express cross frames. Yep. Okay, nice. Like this. Okay. And transform. Okay. Okay. Where did you say it belongs? I assume the. Yeah, at point and things like that. Okay. Point might be easier. We'll see. Where should I place it? How would this actually work? What am I implementing? So okay, so let's see. Let's do like a pub function. I already forgot how to. I should have an example. Is this how you do it? Oh, might not define it in here actually. Always forget. Re-express. Wait, these are methods. And how would this? Express self and transform 3 f64. See a self, right? Yeah. Right? Oh, I messed up. This is where I'm a little confused actually. Transform. Should be this one. So can I do that in here? Can I make it generic in here? Do like a where? I actually never did this. Doesn't look like I can do this. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Create the method with 2 extra generics being frames within, because this only has what frame that is now, right? I tried. Never. I've done free functions. Will this even go here? Where to go with a different one? Like if I do like. Frame of free vector. I'm assuming it would be from right here. Pub function re-express. I wonder if this is actually how you do it. It makes sense. Self. Right here. Technically, it would be also turning itself, right? And then I can do all the things. Would that be it? Interesting. So you can actually do that. This is terrible syntax. Two. Cool. I guess it wouldn't be self, but technically it's a self type. It's free vector of f. Okay. So I'm assuming transform dot rotation times self dot 0. I see. Into inner. Okay. And then we just do free vector from raw. Rotated. That should be it. Oh wait, there's like an act thing. What am I doing? There's no point of that. How do you do that actually? I just made it up too. Act. Wait, I don't need it. This one, do act. Right. Oh, you messed that up, huh? And this is actually all we need. Nope, undo. Cool. Oh, that's actually pretty easy. Yoink. Transform. Point. Okay, and then one, two. That's all we actually need. No? Oh, might not have it included. Cool. Make sure I actually wrote it. I be forgetting to write things. The fuck? Oh, it's not. Nope. Oh, I could just do this. I was like, that's mate though. That's the mate. That's the mate. What can we do here? If we take, he takes. Well, even if I take here, he would take here. Actually, let's see. No. Here? No. If I do this, it's... Oh no, I'm fine. Ah, damn. Really? There's no way it's this. Can I find a way to win material from you? No. Obviously not. This is dumb. Thought here. Still check. Then I could just go here. Oh snap. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, no docs. Okay, cool. Okay. I don't get it. What? No, I need an explanation here. What do you mean, bro? What's the... Why would he have to? It's because I'm going to go here. Oh, I see. You can't do anything, right? If I... Bam. I win that rook. So that's why he took. Okay, but then what's the problem with this? I see. And now the king is just chilling. I think. But what's the difference here, actually? Takes. Does he have enough time? Ah, I see. The slight difference is I'm not putting pressure here. Like, I can't take it. Oh, now I can't even like pressure it here. There's pretty much nowhere that's like really nice to pressure it. I see. Interesting. Alright. Yes, update. Oop. Interesting. Wait, did I finish all the puzzles? How did we finish all this? I just stopped after one, I think. Okay, now I'm done. Let's see. What's the daily? That's not the daily. Shit. Interesting. just means just do that, right? Let's do the king side so I can castle easily. What am I doing? I have this free pawn, bro. I should have just taken the pawn earlier. I'm so dumb. Juicy diagonal here. Let's even do a little prep work. Is that not just a free pawn? If he moves, I'm protecting the bishop. Now I gotta passer. Pretty sure we're chilling here. Okay. Time to move onward. We got promotion. It's fine. We can do this. What? That's bullshit. Some bullshit. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, snap. This one's a big one? Damn. There's no need for that, but okay. Gotcha. So we have to do 2.2 next, and it's not okay. So 2.2. So everything I've done so far are. Let me explain it. Everything I've done so far has been like checks that we can do at compile time, but the issue with a lot of robotic algorithms, they don't know a lot of things up front. So there's going to be something that's happening during runtime, and I think 2.2 is that. Is that not it? I swore that was. It's. Yeah, so there's a lookup key. I'm so lost. Can you give me... Where's the first time you see 2.2? Yeah, so it's erased because we need to create transforms or create things that have some frame type during runtime, and we don't know the technical like coordinate frame for that. Oh, what's up, Davey? How's it going? How's it going? What happened? Oh, yeah, I do need to hydrate. Thanks, brother. I remember you had a different account. I forgot the account name, but I remember the different account. Oh, again and again. Oh, yeah. You make me drink a lot of water. All right. You give me. Can I breathe? Can I breathe? Hold up, David. Can I breathe? Can a man breathe? Dude, my heart has a heart freeze looking thing. Right? It feels. I gotta take a break. So, cool thing is we just got to do things that would make things compile checked. Okay, this layer 3. Now 2.2 has to deal with. You see, this is what I. Okay, you could just do it. You know, we don't have to drink all the water in one day, right? It's actually better not to do that.
It's cold. It's cold water. Rarely I would do hot water. If it's hot water, I would add stuff to it via like tea or lemon stuff. Yeah. Done. So the last one is 2.2. Which bridges runtime with compile time. And to be honest, I don't know much about it. I kind of understood everything in between, and I understand that we need some runtime half. But I didn't really understand the shape of it. But there's some bridge that goes in between. Interesting. What water brand do I think has the best tasting water? I'm okay with a stack. I haven't drinking bottled water in a minute. But to be honest, I think the best water there is, the best bottled water there is Dasani. Dasani. It has to be Dasani. Everyone loves Dasani. It's literally my favorite. I actually buy Dasani, not to even drink it, but just to know that I have it on lock. Can everyone agree? Also, Davey, you want to play chess? Do you want to play chess? Do you like Dasani? You can't. Can't believe you, bro. How could you? Can you say I stand already? Damn, dude. Okay, no worries, Davey. Thanks for stopping by, brother. Have a great rest of your night. Oh, interesting. I have 2 TF providers. Interesting.
Messy, messy, messy. So it sounds like I see. But this should be deleted. That's what it sounds like to me. Interesting. Alright. What fucked up? Damn! Damn! How many I gotta do here? I do. Oh man. Oh, undo. Ah, damn it. Yoink. What's the easy way to do this shit? Just find a bitch. Just find it. Just find the ports. Oh shit. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, this is so annoying. I should have gotten the LM to do it. I think I just forgot to actually delete this bad boy. Okay. What? There's more? How is there more? I thought we finished it all. Nice. We did the pre-step. Holy crap, bro. That was probably the easier part mentally. Pretty simple. The new carrier type convention. Oh, plus erased our ass. And transforms. Okay. So erase.rs and the convention.rs. Pubmod convention.
function, pub mod, erase. Okay. Convention. Right now it's just emu and flu. Interesting. So I'm assuming we automatically do the enu to flu. Probably gonna need some more things on that. These are the only ones I really think would matter. Excuse me. Then I see. We want also the time. The time matters. I never really thought, well, I have thought about time because Ross be doing that, but I didn't. I didn't want to do it. Okay. Okay. I created and getting what is, I understand that things afterwards get, you know, messed up, right? But
Interesting. The more you know. I would have not thought about this ripple. I don't think it's something I have to worry about right now. Only issue is like there's a sensor flu and then there's a body flu. Which have different origins, right? They have different origins. It's being said here. It's a runtime convention. Yeah, I don't know what this means. Okay. Yeah, I agree with that. Forward right down, but convention is a closed. Interesting. Gotcha. So there's some world frame convention that I'm not too familiar with. A capability substrate, not a required member of frame. What do you mean simply doesn't? What the fuck does this even mean? Stays a frame and simply doesn't. It doesn't what? Convention what? Did that was the whole sentence? Okay. You need to compare. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. So wait, what was... Need a substrate. Substrate of what? Oh. Straight up. Interesting. So we just won't have one for ECF, which, to be honest, I'm not a huge expert on these frame types. So I will choose to believe it. Okay, so I did 2. My skin is ass right now. No frame ID. Oh, I didn't even see this. Okay. So I skipped 1. Where do we want this? Okay. It's real interesting. The marker to the convention. Okay. The marker is a compile time thing. Interesting. do I just want... I'm actually kind of confused here on this. On the verbiage. Okay, so I see this plus 2 convention tags. So do I see. Should I? Let's do this. Oh. What the hell? Should I call it just isometry to be more precise? Oop. Okay. Implement this transform. Add a function from parts, right? ISO isometry 364 from to convention. To be honest, I'll just call it isometry. So it's easier on me. To be honest, I don't think I did this right. Okay. Okay. We can do erase a convention of the convention of transform HB. What did that say? This isn't the right transform. There we go. I see. Okay. So the purpose of this one is the opposite of erase, where we actually give it a type. Interesting. See that being useful? Getting a type and then doing the math. And then we want to erase it so we can then publish it out in the world. Sounds good to me. Now I don't know how to do that yet, but I get the point. This is basically the runtime and compile time bridge, right? We have our. Did I run or am I gonna? I'm gonna go later. Yeah. Today, I mean, I was pretty active today. I mean, I could probably skip. To be honest, my legs are kind of tired. Yesterday was rough, bro. I don't know if you're on my Discord, but I was talking about how it was fucking ass just jogging after an all-you-can-eat. So one thing I want to do is jog to restaurants, do a food review, and then jog back. Jog/walk back, more specifically. That's the one thing I want to do. I can't do it right now because I'd probably arrive there too late when it gets like cool and stuff. Unless I go to a McDonald's, but then I'm like scared to like run in the evening. But yeah, anyway, I climbed, I lifted weights, and then I also helped reorganize a room, which required a lot of lifting. But anyway, my legs are kind of tired, kind of busted. How you doing, Brent? What the fuck? How do you compare this? I'll get ready for the gym in 30 minutes. Oh, nice. When does your gym close? What does this even mean, bro? Ah. But like, how do you... Ah, interesting. 10 p.m.? Ah, okay. You get there around 8 or so? Wait. Is it 6 to 30 over there? Is it 3-hour difference? 6:30? Or is it 7:30? 6:30 or 7:30? 2-hour difference. Oh shit, dude. It's been a while since I've been in Cali. To be honest, I want to visit so I can meet my... Not meet, but see my nieces and nephew. nephews. To be honest, to them they're gonna meet me for the first time. But I've met them before. It is what it is, bro. Cool. This should work. This one should be similar thing actually. This one should be erase transform. Oh, this one doesn't even have a self actually. Oh shit. What are you gonna work out today? Commission. This is not into inner. Cardio as always. Oh, interesting. Are you gonna lift at all or no? Totally chill if not. This. Yeah, this is an isometry. What's the issue? Oh. From parts. My bad. I forgot the from parts. From parts. Okay, cool. I understand, because we've done this pattern a couple times, actually. It didn't hit me at first, but now it's hitting me. Is this machines? I see. You go to a very popular gym, I'm assuming. So I normally just wait. Too many people after work going, yeah. And you live in a very populous area. Cheapest gym in town, yeah. And the tech bros are cheap, bro. Yeah. Understandable. Is it a Planet Fitness? Feel free to not tell me if you don't want to do it. 24-hour. Oh. 24-hour fitness? Really? And that's the cheapest? Oh, you pay $200 a year. Oh. Oh, damn. Yeah. Wait, why don't you do you think you can go during the day at all? Don't know if you want to switch your schedule up or anything. Too many meetings. Wait, Brent, catch me up. Catch me up. Do you have a job now? What do you mean too many meetings? Help me out. Help me. You got work? Wait. Oh, okay. You'll explain later. Okay, gotcha. Are you contracting? Is that what it is? Sorry. You don't have to tell me now. Gotcha. I would love to hear it though. Okay, this one I have to talk about. Okay. So I think I programmed. And pub use erased. Transform. Okay, I think. Did the Jacobian? The Jacobian. We got some Jacobians in here. Should be in a comment somewhere. Ah, fuck the docs. There we go. Here's my boy Jacobian. And it's it's solved numerically. It's solved numerically. So technically speaking, if you have if you know the analytical equation for whatever you're doing, it would be 10 times, definitely a magnitude faster. I don't know how much faster, but it'd be much faster than doing it numerically. But I don't have time to think about things numerically or analytically every time, because you have to do a case-by-case basis. And yeah, so just do it numerically. If you do it numerically, it should work for every one of them, unless there's some very awkward state. You know what I'm saying when regarding this, right? Or am I not making sense? Okay, cool. It's cool. I think you're the only one that has talked to me about anything that I've learned in the robotics realm, and it's been just the Jacobian, to be honest. but it does bring a smile to my face. So thanks for always reminding me. Remember the first time you talked to me about it? I was like, damn, you know about this? What you know about this? Understand the what was it? I understand something. Shit. Okay, well, I don't know what I understand. I was mid sentence and then I forgot. Oh wait, yeah. Do we really want to panic at runtime? It seems that two poor behaviors. Check my work. Anytime I say check my work, it yells at me saying, yo, you didn't give any comments. And I'm like, that's your job, bro. That's fucking your job. You think I can write shit like that? I did not do anything with get transformed, so I wonder if he yelled at me, because it might have told me in this time to do something with get transform. I don't think it did it? Yeah, I think we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're good. We didn't do anything with get transform yet. Okay, cool. That's the second half with it trickling down. Why am I getting updates for this? I might have joined him later.
You fool, that's not...
The hell? What the hell? What's today's? Did I? Is this the daily? I do want to try another Code Forces. That'd be fun. Let me rephrase that. That would. Damn. I don't know if it'd be fun. It would be something, that's for sure. This looks like a hard problem. Oh, we get the word query. We love it. K queries. Huh, what could this be? Yite query updates the character in S. See, this is what I need. I need something. They need to keep using these keywords on me. Update and query. If they throw a curveball at me and it's not what I'm thinking of, they'll. I'm gonna need a refill soon. Anyway, the ith query updates the characters in S at index. Yep. To the character. Return an array links of K. Yeah, this is a seg tree. They spelled out seg tree for you. So basically say they update. After you update, check the consecutive the consecutive strings. The issue is how do you trickle it up? Yeah, I wouldn't know. Well, what? Is this seg tree? It's this. They're reading it like it's a seg tree. Oh, it's segs? It's definitely segs. I just don't know the bottom. Right? Like how do you check that? Yeah, how do you check this? Like, what do you? How do you? Because you want to query the whole thing, but how do you get? That's. Oh yeah. The thing is they spell it out for you. Keep using I don't know how it's gonna be, but let's say it's this and this. Doesn't matter. How do you yeah, how do you check this? Like, what are the values here? I don't know seg tree enough for this. Because I don't know what's trickling up. Plus, like, what happens if something like this happens, right? Huh. Because you would want... You definitely want to trickle up max. Because you end up with the max length, I assume, right? Or in this case, it would be 3. But how do you... What? Couldn't tell you, bro.
Oh, I didn't. Okay, so I need to do flu. I see. Oh, what's up, Davey? How's it going, man? How's it going? Hope your time away was great. Thanks for coming back, brother. Thanks for coming back. You know me. This is what you want me to do? Oh, I see. I'm so confused. Is this what we want to do? I'm so confused. Flu what? Like flu? Oh, that one. Okay, that one. Okay, I got. I get it. Flu, flu. Yeah. Not gonna lie, if I want to, okay. I mean, I could always reject it, Just because you redeem something doesn't mean it gets redeemed. You gotta do something badge. Wow, you get a badge. Oh wow, Blossom badge level 2. Actually, speaking of which, sorry. Speaking of which, I actually need to go get some water. I need a refill. I've been Yeah. Well, you're not gonna get me to drink water right now, bro. I haven't. It's only ice right now, so be right back. Oh, what's up, Dumpy Don? Okay, you come at the wrong time. I need to get a refill. I'll be quick. Dumpy Don. I'll be quick. I'll be back. Tell me all about your life, okay? Tell me all about your life, and I come back and I'll read about your life. Howdy, howdy, howdy. I drank some water along the way, but just to show you. I drank the water. Okay. That's what you like? Okay. Alright, W Dawn. I was born at a young age. You were born at a young age. Do you know anybody born at an old age? Because, for me personally, I don't have like the sample size of the world, but I haven't met anybody that was born at an old age. You know, early on, I had to learn how to swim in the air, and fly in the water. Ooh, bees. I'm building projects this week. One of them is Pathforge. Ah, so are you doing A-star? I see. Nice. Yeah, A-star is a classic. How do you? Is it how do you do this? I would assume that it would have been faster. Because, like, the goal's over here. Like, I get that it was like... Huh. Let's redo this again. Alright, because the heuristic is over here. I guess there's some costs going out. Should be trying its best. Yeah. Interesting. Good visualization. Good visualization. Have you heard of... Shit. It's like a lazy planner, but basically it's a wrapper for search grid search algorithms. I can't remember the algorithm's name. I think it was from, was it Carnegie Mellon? No, Washington. Some professor from Washington. And the basic idea is you try to find the shortest path from point A to point B via fuck the obstacles. You ignore the obstacles. And then what happens is at some point you validate all the nodes that go through, and then the first one that fucks up, you do it again. And then you keep doing it until you find it. And the mathematics behind it is you search less nodes. And I am having a hard time recollecting what the name of the algorithm is. And it still finds an optimal path. That's the craziest part. Fuck. But it wraps on search algorithms. Like A-star, D-star. I wish I could tell you. Samir was technically 9 months old when he was born. Random Moscow's reviews. A-star you might be using a lot in robots, right? Yeah, A-star is classical. It's very classical. That's actually the search algorithm I'm using right now. But you could always revise it to do a couple other things, or you search it in a different space, right? UI based? Well, how do you delete an obstacle? Oh, you have to erase. I see. I guess make this bigger? Making this bigger would help. What's mud? Oh, I see. Okay. That makes sense. And is the 3 and the 5 like the cost associated with it? Are these the costs associated with moving? I see. Yeah, make it something where like people understand that like that's a higher cost, and wall is infinite. I guess you can say like it's non-traversable, right? And it looks like it's possible to make sure there's nothing. It won't be able to find anything, right? I would assume so, at least. Right? It won't be able to find the goal. And you do Manhattan distance. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. And Euclidean. Yeah. That's the heuristic. And then you have Dijkstra's A star. Yeah. These are all classicals. Is there like a bug? Do you get to say you search through everything? Yeah, having like a it's impossible thing. Oh, no path on right. Oh, was it there? Oh, I missed it. My bad. I might have missed it. Sorry. Oh, I see. Maybe have it in the middle, cause like my attention's here, right? Like my attention's here. Like what does it think? Why would it do that? And I guess I should look at here, since this is the just say run metrics, right? So this is where the results are. Maybe something that identifies, oh, no path was found, you know. You're planning on adding a non-matrix node edge pad? A non-matrix node edge pad. What does that mean? Node like node edge graph? Like you get to see. Wait, I'm confused. Like you get to see an actual graph of like all these nodes? Because I thought the map itself, like the discretized map itself, was like that, right? Like something like this. Oh yeah, I see. Circles and straight line. But what would that what would that represent? Like the nodes are right here. Like your nodes are, yeah, your nodes are right here. They're already connected. If you do it octally, I don't know what the actual thing is, then you have nodes diagonal as well. Create a graph of our own based on our edges and edge weights. Okay. But that's what's happening here, right? Because this weight is 0, right? These positions with nothing in them is 0. The mud is 3, and then you have some distance via, I guess now, Euclidean. Oh, so you just want 2 representations? Okay. Yeah, that would be actually nice now to think about it, because people don't realize that's what's happening underneath the hood, right? Like, hey, what's happening here is this grid, this 2D grid is actually a graph, right? A graph. And then this circle right here, the circle of 3 is the mud, right? Yeah, that's totally chill. Because it took me a while. I didn't before, but when I was learning A star and some other search algorithms, I didn't know what a fucking map or a grid a graph was. I learned a couple things. I was like, there's this heuristic. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, nice. Yeah. So what's happening here is like you could use A star for a lot of things. It doesn't have to be XY positions. But once you get to more than XY, like if you add a Z to it or a third dimension, it could be angle, right? People also do XY angle, so you can get like your car positioned in a certain angle or facing a certain yaw. It exponentially, not exponentially, but your search size just explodes immediately. I'm like, fuck, bro. You gotta do this efficiently. Yeah, R theta. Yeah. So with those when you have more than 3 states for sure, people will usually work in continuous space because this is all discretized, right? So that's where you get RRT and RRT star and things of that nature, to work in the continuous space. Also, it's pretty hard actually to in robotics at least to represent things in discretized space. I mean, people use like voxel grid and things of that nature to like help out the KD trees, but it gets hard because how what's it called? How accurate do you want to be? Right? You want to be pretty accurate so you don't hit things, but you also don't want to like. Because like for instance a corridor, right? If you can fit between 2 cars, right? But your map representation isn't the most accurate, you might say that you can't squeeze through those 2 cars even though you have a ton of space to squeeze between those cars. So sometimes it gets a bit difficult, practically speaking. Granted, this is before I learned data structures and algorithms, and maybe I was just shit at implementing things, which is totally possible. And I would say that's probably the case. Let's see how you do DFS. Yeah, sounds about right. This looks about right. Wait, did you not find it? Holy shit, you didn't find it? You avoided that shit? And A star would be very efficient. Yeah, A star is more efficient because of the heuristic. But if you have the wrong heuristic, it can get worse. It could be. But that's because your heuristic is ass. But you'll be surprised with people's heuristics on things, because it's sometimes scenario based. For instance, in warfare, if someone's shooting at me and my car is driving in a straight line because it's trying to find the shortest path from point A to point B, I'm a pretty easy target. So you kind of want the heuristic to be, left, right, left, right, left, right. But the thing is, you're not to find a heuristic like that is crazy. It's crazy work because it's something that you wouldn't want in a commercial vehicle, right? Like your comfort comes in first, right? So you won't see a Tesla being like, oh, I'm getting shot at. Let me go left, right, like start zigzagging so someone doesn't hit me. And to be honest, I wouldn't even know the heuristic for that type of motion. But it's just scenarios that I've heard about. What do you mean? It compares. It compares. But anyway, this one doesn't matter. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. You trying to correct me is crazy work. Cause you landed with the same conclusion as me. This fool. What is this? Oh, Logic. What about Logic? Just his album? Young Sinatra? It's been a while since I've listened to him. Does he still release music today? Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. With Rubik's Cube? That's crazy. You got a partnership with Rubik's Cube? Or maybe has? It's crazy work. Ultra 85. Okay, maybe I'll maybe I'll hit his music up. That's fucked up, bro. That's fucked up. Why would you disrespect Logic like that? He's a handsome young man. Alright, Rose Pan. Okay. What type of error do we want to give though? Oh, Oh snap! I gotta run. No, I am aura plusing you. Thanks, bro. Thanks for giving me all the aura, dude. But yeah, path. Those are path planning algorithms. That's for sure. Are you trying to? What are you trying to do with that? You said you want it on your resume. But what type of positions are you looking for? With that skill set, I guess you can say. Is this Bangladesh? Yeah. Nice. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Just close it. Call it a fine day. I would love for him to take. Let's just start attacking, you know? Let's be bold. Oh snap! He didn't want a free night. You love it. Dude, I'm playing so bad moves. So many bad moves. Oh, I should have played here. What am I doing? This has been a better move. We're playing so bad moves. So many bad moves here. I don't like this game. Elite code skills, junior suite roles, A star is an advanced item, not basic. Is it? I don't know what junior roles be. Shit, fucked up the time. Oh well. I will. Yeah, the project's fine. Maybe it's because like it's skills that I have that I that I'd that makes me like not as drawn into it, if that makes sense. Doing a project that requires like a database and knowing how to query in it and update and present the data would be, or use it in any way as well, would be skills that I would need specifically. So I don't know. I guess I might be projecting a bit. Yeah. I do think it seems like, because I can't speak for India or anything, but in terms of the interviews that I'm hearing about, they are wanting more systems level thinking and more design stuff where you're understanding architecture better, probably because everyone's letting LLMs program. So yeah, granted I haven't had an interview for a while, but it's chill. I'm gonna head out. Fix this in a bit. We'll do result for sure. Yeah, I'm also not trying to like vibe code too much on this project, so maybe that's been also because it's useful to know what you're talking about as well. Also, I don't know how do you find this? Like, how do you know this is a B and that's a B? And what do you trickle up? Like, if this is two, right? Oh my god. 2, 2, 2, 1. Like, what do you, how does this even help you? That doesn't make sense. Bad boy, cause you look logic? Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna head out. I do wanna jog today. Do want to get my steps in. Even though I worked out, I think I can be even more active. All I do is, actually I don't know logics. All I do, the thing that I thought of is all I do is win no matter what. Money on my mind goes up and it stays there. Something like that. I forgot that. Okay. Yeah, sounds good, Dumpy Don. Thanks for showing me your project. Really appreciate it. It is that is something that people in robotics use ever so often. It's getting more complicated now in terms of like what space you're in, but it's the same gist. You have some search space. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming through. I really appreciate everyone's time. I hope everyone has a good day. Peace out, Girl Scouts.